available on Lucky 8. Easy, I'm gonna show you a little trick. That is the seam I'm talking about. Just gently moving it around. All nice and level. Hello, my Rover friends. Welcome to the Lucky 8 channel. Today, I'm going to take you step by step, show you how to install a sunroof seal on your Range Rover Sport. This is the seal that goes around the outer part of the glass that stops the rainwater from draining into the cabin. If yours is leaking and you've done your sunroof drains, it's probably the seal. They're aging out. I'm going to take you step by step, show you how to do it. Cue the intro. The first thing we need to do is pull the sunroof glass out. Now I know it sounds hard, it's actually quite easy. I'm gonna show you a little trick, save you a ton of time. You're gonna need a T25 Torx. I'm using this little ratchet. Let's go into the car, I'll show you the trick, we'll get the glass out, and then we can start removing the seal. Right here is this little rubber accordion piece. Behind that are two T25 Torx. That's what we're trying to remove. Just gently pull back on the rubber seal. You can see one of the Torx there. Let me see if I can put the light, make it easier for you guys. Run it out of hands. All right. Clearly, you can see the Torx right behind the little rubber accordion piece. Slide the rubber accordion piece down a little bit. You're gonna see the bracket for it, but you're not quite able to see the Torx. The trick here is you can wiggle this around, lay it kind of flat. See how I'm pulling it out? And it'll just slide back enough to expose that Torx. These things are a pain in the ass to get out, and then you end up breaking the clips. You don't want to do that. Let's get our ratchet in and pull that Torx out. Then we'll move the rubber seal over and easily get the one in the back. Use the same strategy on the other side, moving the little rubber accordion piece out of the way. Once you have all four of the Torx out, you're going to want to just gently pick up on the glass. Don't force it. It is set into the bodywork, so you gotta be careful. You just wanna gently move it up, kick it to the side so that you can pull it out, have something soft that you can set the glass on ready, or else you're gonna be walking around with the sunroof looking for a place to set it down. I know a guy that did that. Now that the glass is out, you can see the mounting locations pretty easily. And the seal is this piece right here. You're gonna look and notice that yours may have a tear in it, or it's just all squished. It's not super puffy like the new one. There is a seam in it. We're gonna look, find the seam, and I mark it. I really don't know if it matters, but I want it to go back in the way they did it at the factory in case that seam does make a difference. I'll bring the camera in so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, right here, hopefully it's coming up on camera. Can you see that little split in it? It's pretty small. That is the seam I'm talking about. I believe it's for when the seal gets compressed, it allows the air to come out. I've gone ahead and put a little mark there. When we put the new seal on, I want to make sure it's in the exact spot. All right, pulling the seal out's not a big deal. Pretty much do it with your fingers. I'm going to get in here with a pick just to get it started. We're going to get it pulled out. There she is. Let's take a look at the new one. Yes, available on Lucky 8. I get yelled at when I don't promote the company, so hopefully you bought the seal from us. If not, shame. Okay, let's get this out of the bag. We're gonna find that little split I was talking about. Oh, you can already tell probably there how puffy this is compared. There's the little seam. Oh, okay. Now we want to line it up in this area. Before I put the seal in, I'm just going to get in there, clean everything out, and I'm going to add a little bit silicone lube like WD-40. So when the seal's in there, if we have to shift it one way or another, it'll have a little bit easier time moving it. You know it's not going to lay in perfect. So let's get this cleaned out first. Then we'll get a little silicone in there. We'll put the rubber seal in. I'm going to start at my mark and just gently put the seal in. It's got a good satisfying little clip sound when you get it going, right? All right, now you're about to find out why I insisted on putting the silicone spray in there. The seal stretches, so as you try to put it in, you're stretching it, and then you're gonna end up with this little speed bump in there. We're going to just gently work it around the glass, trying to spread it out evenly. That way the seal sits flush and we don't have any speed bumps. Just gently moving it around, taking up the slack. There we go. Make sure all of the seals, well, all of the seal clip is in everywhere. There's no speed bumps. It's nice and smooth all the way around. And you can see here, probably even from there, how much flex this now has compared to the old one we pulled out. All right, since the glass is out, I'm gonna take time, clean it off since I got silicone on it. Then we're gonna go gently set it on the roof, get it into position. You kind of almost have to push it down a little bit to align these clips in the exact spot, because if you don't, it'll sit kittywampus. We don't want that. Okay, I'm gonna clean it and we're gonna get back on the roof. Now that you got the glass in place, you have to be careful to align the sunroof so it sits flush with the roof. It can sit kittywampus. It won't work when you try to open it. You run the risk of cracking the glass. We don't want that. I'm gonna bring you up on the roof, show you what I mean, then I'm gonna get everything bolted in and we'll have a look. So this is the glass just sitting in. As you can see, it's not right. This corner is flush the way I want it. I have one Torx in here just for the example. We're then gonna get this Torx in, go over there. We're not gonna tighten anything down until it's all nice and level. Here is the little bracket. You notice we gotta pick up on it a smidge, align it, and then we can put, whoa, hold on camera. Then we can put the Torx in it. I'm just gonna finger tighten it for now. Get that one good, slide that over, do that one, go outside and have a look, make sure I've got the sunroof leveled. Right here is damn near perfect, but I'm dipping in the back, so I'm gonna go inside, kind of, see how I did that, just push it up, adjust it so the seal is right where I want it to be. Now that the sunroof is in place, there's 3 more things to do. Tighten all the bolts down, put the little rubber accordion pieces back in place, and be sure to follow.